Hey there! Today, I'll show you how to customize the daily planner in our editable OneNote planner. As I mentioned in our previous videos, both the fully editable and half-editable versions let you customize the daily planner. Our OneNote planners can be used across different platforms, but I recommend customizing the templates on a PC or Mac since it's much easier to edit there. First, you can edit any text on the daily planner. You can change the font, size, color, and more. Second, you can delete any section. You can remove an entire section or just part of it. Third, you can add a new section by simply typing in the space you want. If you want to keep the design consistent with the existing layout, you can also copy a section, paste it wherever you like, and then just change the headings. Fourth, you can rearrange the sections however you want, like this. Lastly, you can edit the schedule times. If you start your day later, you can delete some of the time blocks like so. If you start earlier, you can adjust the times to suit your needs. Our planners also come with stickers, so you can use them to personalize or decorate your daily planner as well. For example, I'm going to place a leaf sticker at the bottom right of the page. Now that we're done customizing the daily page, we need to apply the same changes to the rest of the daily pages. Unfortunately, there isn't an automatic way to do this in OneNote, but you can simply copy and paste the customized layout, which is still quick and easy. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing. It really helps us continue creating practical digital planning tutorials. Thank you so much for supporting 4 Little Line. I'll see you in the next video.